Alright, so I'm going to show you how to clean some sticky gunk off of some of the grips of some of these film cameras that can happen over time. Trick I learned a couple years ago is actually use you actually use hand sanitizer and a paper towel. And what it basically does is it strips off a layer of that leatherette, including all the gunky stuff. The thing you'd want to watch out for is sometimes off the back of some cameras they've got writing, showing you modes and stuff like that. Sometimes it'll strip that off too. But basically you generously apply the hand sanitizer to a paper towel and you just kind of rub it, and the alcohol and the sanitizer basically strips it off. Kind of see that it's coming off. Give it a good rub. Maybe another coating of sanitizer. This one wasn't too bad, but I've seen some that have been very, very, very sticky. And this one's pretty much got it. Got a bunch of gunk on that one. This Canon has a little bit of it too, so I'm going to do this one at the same time. And that's basically generously apply some hand sanitizer to a paper towel. I mean, you could use a cleaning cloth, whatever you want, but you'll probably ruin a good cleaning cloth. This one, there's a lot of crap coming off, so that's good. Nikon wasn't too bad. It just kind of strips that layer right off of there. I'll use another side of the paper towel here. And you'll get your own results depending upon the sanitizer. Now this is Purell, I believe. Yeah, some Purell. It's about 65% isopropyl alcohol, so it strips it pretty good. I'm going to get another paper towel here. Yeah, some film cameras, it's just, I'm not sure if it's because of just environmental situations or, sweat from people's hands just cause it to build up and starts to deteriorate a little bit, but that takes care of that one. I'm going to come back to a little bit of side on the Nikon, but this side's all clean. So I'll get the other side of the Nikon. This is a Nikon N75. I've seen some N90s and some N70s get pretty sticky. Again, not sure 100% why. I'm sure someone could tell me the reasons, but I'm thinking it's just sweat from people's hands and it just kind of gets in there. Give it a good wipe down. As you can tell, the Canon was a lot worse off than the Nikon. Got a little bit more on this Canon I'm going to take care of. And it comes right off. Other side's not bad. This side's now pretty good. And just get a little bit more. Let's see it near the remote switch here. And not sticky anymore. Alright, that's a quick way to clean the stickies off of SLR cameras, even some digital cameras. Get some hand sanitizer. This is like 65% alcohol. Some of the lesser ones, like maybe a 40%, might take a couple of cleanings, but that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.